Welcome back to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to make your Facebook account private. So first you need to open your Facebook app. And then as you can see on the menu icon at the top right, tap that button. And then you need to scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Privacy Shortcuts. And here, as you can see on your screen, tap on See More Privacy Settings. Now, under the option How People Can Find and Contact You, here you can customize the settings. For example, who can send you a friend request. When you tap on right here, you can select if you want everyone or friends of friends. Same with the second option, who can see your friends list. If you tap on that, you can always tap on Only Me option. Same to who can look up using the phone number you provided. So tap on Only Me. So if you do this, it will make your Facebook account into private. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.